Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Apple Remote Desktop. Apple Remote Desktop is Apple's native solution for remotely managing and controlling multiple Macs. It allows you to view screens, run commands, transfer files, install software, and even send messages, all from a single Mac. This makes it a great tool for IT teams, educators, or anyone handling multiple Apple devices at once. Setting it up is straightforward. You simply enable remote management in system preferences, configure user permissions, and connect using credentials. Once connected, you can monitor screens in real time, control desktops, deploy software updates, run maintenance scripts, and generating detailed reports on device usage, system performance, or network activity. The tool also supports automation, so repetitive tasks like installing updates or configuring new systems can be handled quickly. Security is strong, with encrypted connections and granular permission settings to protect sensitive data. While the interface is somewhat dated, the performance is stable and fast on macOS. However, it's limited to Apple devices, so you can't connect to Windows or Linux computers. Alternatively, like TeamViewer or AnyTask offers cross-platform support, but they often come with additional subscriptions or slightly slower performance. For environments fully invested in Apple hardware, Apple Remote Desktop remains highly efficient, especially for professional use in offices, schools, or creative studios. Overall, Apple Remote Desktop is still worth using if you manage multiple Macs regularly. It provides powerful control, strong security, and administrative efficiency, making it a reliable choice for professional users, with casual users may prefer simpler screen sharing options. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.